scary sound. Such a mighty dinosaur. Let's check out its name. The world is amazing. Let's keep learning. Smart tablet, activate.
Strong body. Sharp teeth. Short forelimbs. Strong hind legs. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex existed more than 60 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. It is the overlord of the dinosaurs.
It's Tyrannosaurus rex! Do you know Tyrannosaurus rex has a special body structure? Tyrannosaurus rex is 13 meters long. It walks with its strong hind legs. However, its forelimbs are especially short, and each has only 2 fingers. Tyrannosaurus rex is so fun, and I want to feed it! Do you know what Tyrannosaurus rex likes to eat? A. Vegetation. B. Meat. C. Fish. That's right! You are right! Tyrannosaurus rex is a ferocious carnivore. It likes to eat meat, so it preys on other dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus rex has the strongest bite force on Earth, and it can easily break the bones of other dinosaurs. Wah! Quacky, do you want to check out how powerful Tyrannosaurus rex is? Yes, yes! Kids, let's try it out! Drag the stuff to Tyrannosaurus rex and see whether he can break it or not. Meat is not a problem for Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex has easily crushed the big bone. The branch is chewed off. Wow! A large rock is just a piece of cake for Tyrannosaurus. Look! Tyrannosaurus rex has a bite force of up to 10 tons. It can even break a car. Quacky, what have you learned in this section? Tyrannosaurus rex has extremely short forelimbs. It likes to eat meat, and it has sharp teeth. You're right. Let's go on. Let's fix the dinosaur model. Quack, 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 quack. Kids, have you got it? Let's check out where Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex. Keep flipping the cards until you find a matching pair. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex has sharp teeth. Tyrannosaurus rex has short forelimbs. Tyrannosaurus rex has strong hind legs.